Today we're going to be hammering, planing, sanding, chopping, staining, reassembling, and refinishing some chairs so they look brand new again. Stay tuned in to see how it's done. In the past, I had the great opportunity to create this beautiful tabletop for a client. Not long after I finished making the tabletop, I was asked if I could make the chairs that they had to match the table, and in this video, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing.
And we're gonna put these to one side just for now. Once I have the whole chair taken apart, we have them stacked here in an organized fashion and ready to send through the planer. As you can see here, we have most of the work pretty much done. We're gonna go ahead and clean up these bottom edges on some other pieces that we're unable to send through the planer. These four together and this one, and we're gonna take them to the joiner. And that's it for these pieces. Now the last pieces that we need to do are these. We obviously can't send these through the planer because it has this curve right here, and we also can't send it through the joiner because of this curve. We would get part ways through and then it would start to lift up about right here and it just wouldn't work out. So we're gonna come over here to my bench top spindle sander. voila, that is how I disassembled and restained this beautiful chair. Now for the last step, we're gonna apply a finish, which I'll probably do tomorrow because it's a little late, but for you guys it's only going to be 1 second. All right baby, we have all 6 chairs reassembled, put together, restained, sanded down completely and restained, and the very next step is we're gonna spray them with a finish. That should be good. And look at that, baby. The amount we mixed up was just enough to cover not 1, but 2 chairs. We got this one and we got this one. Alright, so we have 2 of the chairs completely done here. These have been drying for roughly 30-40 minutes now, and I just want to show you guys the sheen on this. It's dry to where you can lightly touch it. It's still drying, and if we look at it in the reflection, this thing has an absolutely incredible looking sheen to it. Wow. Now it's not a high gloss finish, it's somewhere between a semi-gloss and a gloss, because that's what we mixed together, and damn does that look incredible. I really like this finish. God damn, I think that just looks like an absolutely professional job. I'm almost more excited than the customer is, but yeah, I really like it, I think. And there we have it, baby. We have all 6 chairs restained and refinished, all matching beautifully and perfectly. I absolutely love it. I think this job came out phenomenal, and yeah, they just look absolutely stunning. I love it. Look at that, front and back, all of them. All these chairs look perfect. They all have an absolutely beautiful sheen, a beautiful matching sheen to match the we did as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and have an awesome day.